Manager of Communication for AARP Florida. Lead a team of 8 folks who work on all kinds of mass engagement and communications techniques and tactics. We serve 2.7 million, almost 2.8 million people 50 and older in the state of Florida. We're one of the more effective state communications teams in AARP. The typical day in the communications team is usually anything but typical. A lot of the work that we do involves outreach to AARP members through targeted emails, through our state webpage, through social media, through e-newsletters, through a lot of other different channels. We manage 18 different channels on the communications team. I believe young communicators need to be moving. You should be thinking of building your skills to create your own channels that you manage to an audience that is committed to you. Communicators these days are going to have to master new skills, new opportunities, new ways of being their own communications gatekeeper, of managing their own communications networks.
Hi, my name is Leslie Spencer and I work with the AARP office here in Tallahassee. I actually started in this role in 2004 as an intern from Florida State University, so can't emphasize enough the value of an internship with an organization like this. Gives you a great entree into the world of advocacy and community outreach. So some advice that I would give for young professionals would certainly be to look for those internship and volunteer opportunities with a variety of organizations. For instance, you may not have ever considered working for AARP, which is an organization that is primarily dealing with individuals 50 and over, but take those risks, look for opportunities you may not think of, because you may find something that you really enjoy but had not considered.